We have here a paint by number set for kids. It has a nice little kit, has everything you need here. So inside here, we're gonna take everything out here. See what we got here. Got some fun little pictures so you can kind of go off of what you're gonna be painting. Comes with all the paint and the canvases. So I'll take it all out so we can get started. Does come with some little sleeve guards to put on your arm here, so when you're working on it, you're not gonna get your arm in it and get paint everywhere. So it comes with some different paint brushes. Some are really fine points because some of them are really, really tiny. And it comes with the paint and the numbers, so you can correspond with the number with the different paint. So it would be super easy. And it's helpful that has the pictures so you can kind of see what it's gonna look like at the end. We are gonna start with this one, the flamingo one. So we're gonna have this picture to kind of help guide us. And then we got the numbers that correspond with the paint. So we're gonna get started and see what it looks like. So when you open it, just pop it open, and when you're not using it, just close it shut so you can use it a later time. So we're gonna start with number 25 and get painting. So this will be fun for anyone that loves to paint or any kids that love to draw. This is going to be really easy for them to kind of just follow the numbers and get a fun little picture that they can hang on their wall. And it's fun to do with your kids, or they can do it by themselves. So it does come with some hardware if you want to make it so you can hang it up, or you can just display it however you want. This paint by number set is lots of fun, super cute, really easy to follow the numbers with the paint. My daughter had a blast with it, so it's gonna be great for anyone's kids who love to paint.